The digital twin matches the specs. Prepare for Phase 2 manufacturing. Acknowledged.
Initiating assembly sequence.
The F-35 Lightning II revolutionizes air combat with stealth, speed, and unmatched sensor fusion technology. Born from the Joint Strike Fighter program, built by Lockheed Martin in the United States. This current era jet is highly complex, blending stealth and advanced tech in one platform. Spanning 51 feet long with a 35-foot wingspan, it's compact yet powerful. Standing 14 feet high with max takeoff at 70,000 pounds. Subscribe for more secrets. Delivering 43,000 pounds of thrust, carrying up to 18,000 pounds payload internally. Three variants: A for conventional, B for vertical landing, C for carriers.
But can this stealth beast really evade the most advanced radars undetected? Advanced sensor fusion provides pilots with 360-degree awareness in any environment. The helmet-mounted display lets pilots see through the aircraft for total situational awareness.
Manufacturing involves global partners like Northrop Grumman for center, BAE for aft. Composite skins are attached for strength and stealth, a critical manufacturing step.
A critical flaw in the engine assemble threatens the entire production line.
Rigorous testing ensures fuel, radar, and engine perform flawlessly before flight.
Check the left stabilizer panel.
Confirmed. Green across the board.
Deployed for air superiority, strikes, electronic warfare, and reconnaissance globally.
Watch composite layering next. Hit subscribe and bell for upcoming reveals.
The F-35 combines stealth, speed, and sensor fusion like no other aircraft. Three variants meet different takeoff and landing needs for versatile operations.
Capable of Mach 1.6, even with internal weapons for stealthy strikes.
Sensor fusion gives 360-degree awareness, a game changer in combat. Involves global partners for efficient, collaborative manufacturing worldwide.
replaces multiple legacy fighters like F-16 and A-10 for modern warfare.
F-35B's STOVL capability allows vertical landings in austere environments.
Over 1 million flight hours prove its reliability and dominance.
Ongoing Block 4 upgrades enhance capabilities for future threats.
The F-35 secures air dominance. Subscribe and hit the bell for more.